Recently, a few users complained of getting an error code hexadecimal 0x00004005 when they tried adding a network printer to their computers. In such a scenario, you may receive the following error message as well. Windows can't connect to the printer, the operation failed with error hexadecimal 0x00004005. This error occurs mainly due to stopped print spooler service, or outdated drivers. In certain cases, this may also arise because of misconfigured network settings. Whatever is the reason in your case, you may resolve it by applying the workarounds discussed in this tutorial. Method 1. Restart print spooler service. Open the Run command first by pressing the Win key and R-type services.msc and press Enter. On the opened window, scroll down and double-click over the service. Print spooler services. Make sure the startup type is on automatic mode. If service status is showing stopped, you need to click on the Start. Similarly, if the service status is displaying running, you need to stop it first and then start again. Lastly, hit OK to save the above configuration. Now it's done, restart your PC and check whether the error hexadecimal 0x00004005 is retained or solved. Method 2. Initiate printer troubleshooter. First of all, press Win I to open the Settings app. Select Update and Security, Troubleshoot on the left pane. Move to the right pane and click over the link, Additional Troubleshooters. Here, click to expand the printer under the Get Up and Running section, and hit Run the Troubleshooter. When the troubleshooter starts, check the option, Printer Not Working. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the remaining process. Restart your PC next and see if the error hexadecimal 0x00004005 gets resolved or not. If not, try out the next method. Method 3. Install appropriate printer driver to solve printer error hexadecimal 0x00004005. When you purchase a new printer, you also get a CD containing all the required drivers in it. Try reinstalling all the drivers that come along with the printer. If you were not provided any CD during the purchase or just lost access to that, you may get the essential drivers by visiting the manufacturer's official site. Download and install the printer-related drivers and see if it solves the error hexadecimal 0x00004005. Method 4. Update printer driver to fix printer error hexadecimal 0x00004005. Open the Run command first by pressing the Win key and R, then type devmgmt.msc. When Device Manager comes into the display, expand Print Queues. Right-click on each one of the adapters inside and hit the option Update Driver. On the succeeding screen, click Search automatically for drivers. Let the system search and install the pending updates that it discovers online. Note, similar to that of print queues, you should also update all the drivers present inside the network adapter. Doing so will fix any network-related issue that may occur while printing documents. Method 5. Configure LAN Manager Authentication Level. Open the Run command first by pressing the Win key and R-type gpedit.msc in the text field and press OK. When the local group policy window opens up, reach out to the path shown in this video. Once found, double-click over it to edit this policy. Use the drop-down menu to select Send LM and NTLM. Use NTLM v2 session security if negotiated. Hit Apply then OK to confirm the above changes. Reboot your PC next and see if the error gets resolved by now or is still occurring while printing documents. Method 6. Manually add printer to Windows 10. Launch Control Panel. Proceed as follows. Hardware and sound, devices and printers. Subsequently, click over the option, Add a printer. On the Add a device window, hit the link. The printer that I want isn't listed. Check the Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings box and hit Next. Type your local port number inside the use an existing port and hit OK. Alternatively, you may also choose to create a new port as well. Hit Windows Update and let the system add your printer to the computer. Lastly, press Next and the printer gets attached to your device. Now that you have manually attached the printer to your computer, try initiating a print job. I hope this time, the print job occurs successfully. If you have any queries or suggestions related to this article, let me know in the comments section below.